Welcome to SEO Tutorials for Beginners. Today we're going to add an FAQ section using Elementor. So this is really simple and easy. All you're going to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. Actually, you can see I have an FAQ section right here that I built, which I added some icons or images. And to the side, we have an H3 right here. I changed the text size. And there's just a lot of little things you can do. But if we scroll all the way down, when we hit a plus, we're going to create a new section. So over here, I'm just going to type in an accordion. I'm going to drag that over. So here I now have my box for my FAQ section. And if you want to put a header in front of that, you definitely can. So now, if I click on the little edit button right here, I can now edit this section. And one of the things that I do, I always hit the FAQ schema button here. So this will generate FAQ schema automatically for you. Now, if I want to change any of these styling, so if I go over to the title, I can now change the color of the title. And you can see right here, it went from blue to black, back to blue. We'll just put it on black for the moment. And then if I want the active color to be a certain color, I can change that right here also. So we'll just make that one red. And if I need to change the font or the size, either one, if I click in this tab right here, I can go ahead and make any changes. So pretty simple so far. Now, if I want to add an icon, you can add or change the icon colors right here. And then same with the content. If you want to change the content color or the text color, you have that option. If you want to change the font or the size, you have that option right there too. So that is how you make an FAQ table using Elementor.